Hi friends, Magic Maths by OPM at MalviyaOP welcomes you to watch this video about the question given here. The question states there were 800 students in a school. When the number of boys increased by 76 and the number of girls decreased by 6%, the total enrollment in the school increased by 5%. How many boys were there in the school at first? So the total number of students at first were total students at first are 800. Now increase of enrollment should be equal to increase of boys minus decrease of girls. "76 new boys have joined the school and 6% girls have left, and there is an increase of 5% in the enrollment." So 5% increase means 5% of 800, which is 5 by 100 multiplied by 800. So this gives us an increase of 5 into 8 is 40. So there is an increase of 40 in the enrollment. So this 40 is equal to increase of boys. How many new boys have joined? 76. So 76 boys and 6% girls have left. So there is a decrease of 6% of girls. 6% girls. Okay. So now we bring 6% girls, that is in minus, to the left side. So it becomes plus 6%. 6% girls now equals to 76 minus 40. So that is 36. So 6% girls are 36. So what is 1% girls? 1% girls will be 36 divided by 6%. Alright. So from this we can find out how much is 100% girls. So 100% girls will be 36 divided by 6% multiplied by 100%. So this will give us 1 times 6, and 36 is 6 times 6. So what we get, and this percentage also get cancelled out with this percentage. So we get here 6 multiplied by 100. Hence 100% girls are 600. So these many girls were there at first in the school. So the girls are 600. So from this we can find out the number of boys. As boys are equal to, total students were 800. 800 minus 600 are girls. Hence it gives 200 boys. Therefore number of boys at first, number of boys at first were 200, and this is the answer. So please hit the like button for this video and share this video as much as possible. Do subscribe to my channel for more of such exciting videos on challenging questions. Take care and thanks for watching it.